are doing importance of the atmosphere. What is the name of this chapter? More about air. Okay. So importance of atmosphere. I have explained you two importance of atmosphere, and this one is the third importance of atmosphere. Let's do the revision. What I have explained you in last class. Okay. So in this, what is that? In importance of atmosphere, the atmosphere has several gases. This atmosphere is having what? Several gases. Yes. So atmosphere have several gases. Okay. You all are knowing this. Okay. That required by living things. These gases is required by whom? Living things. Oxygen is used for what? For breathing. And carbon dioxide is required by green plant to prepare their food. How they prepare their food? By the process of photosynthesis. Yes. Plant get nitrogen from the soil. From where does plant get nitrogen? From the soil. And while animal get them from the plant and they eat. Animal gets from plant and what they do? They eat that one. Okay. So this was the what? This was the first point. What was the first point? That in the atmosphere you all are knowing that several gases are there. Yes. And this gas is required by whom? All living things need this gas. Okay. So oxygen is required for what? For breathing. And carbon dioxide is required for green plant to make their food in the process of photosynthesis. And plant gets nitrogen from where? From the soil. It is clear? And while animal get them from the plant. From where animal gets? From the plant. Yes? What they eat, that plant they eat and they get from the plant. Next one, that helium gas is filled in the gas balloon. Gas balloon you have seen now. So in that gas balloon, what gas is filled there? Helium gas. Neon gas is blow sun and argon gas is filled in electrical bulb. Okay. In next point you have learned that atmosphere help to maintain the right temperature on the earth. Atmosphere also help to maintain the right temperature where? On the earth. It prevents the earth from getting overheated by observing a large part of the heat from the sun. What does it do? So it prevents the earth from getting overheated by observing the large part of the heat from the sun. Okay. It prevents the earth from getting too cold in the night by retaining the sun heat, retaining the sun heat. Now today what you will learn, you will know about the third point of the atmosphere, third point of importance of atmosphere. So in this third point what you are seeing, that the ozone layer is there above. That ozone layer protect us from the ultraviolet ray. Ultraviolet ray is not good ray, no, it harms us. So which layer protect us from ultraviolet ray? This ozone layer protect us from ultraviolet ray of the sun. Okay, by observing it. How it protect? By observing it. Who observe it? Atmosphere. Yes. So ozone layer is there in atmosphere. So this ozone layer, what does this ozone layer do? It protects us from the ultraviolet ray of the sun. How? By absorbing it. It absorbs it. Okay. Ultraviolet ray can cause, what does it cause? Can cause diseases. It can cause diseases like cancer, okay, and eye problems. Cancer and eye problem whom in human being. Okay, it is clear? This ultraviolet ray, what does it do? It causes diseases to the human being. What disease? Cancer or eye problem. Okay. So where it is ozone layer? The ozone layer is there. It is coming from the sun heat, and sun heat, ultraviolet ray is coming, and who absorb this? The ozone layer protect us. This layer is there upside, ozone layer, and this layer protect us from what? Ultraviolet ray of the sun. Okay, that ray is coming from the sun, and this ray is very harmful for human being. It causes different types of disease. What are that disease? Cancer and what? Eye problems. And this is protected to us by ozone layer is there. That ozone layer absorb the ultraviolet ray from the sun. The atmosphere protect us from small masses. Atmosphere protect us from small masses of matter that fall from outer space. Understood? What does this atmosphere do? It protects us from small masses of matter that fall from the outer space is there, from outer space. Again you can see this masses. What does this mass do? This mass is called meteors. What does we call these masses? Meteors. These masses are known as meteors. These masses called meteors, and these meteors can cause great damage. It can cause great damage if they heat the earth. If they heat, if they heat the earth, so they cause large damage to the earth's surface. When meteors enter the earth atmosphere, they get burns. What they get? They get burns due to the friction. Due to the friction, it gets burns. Okay, it is clear to you all. So today you have learned the third point of the importance of atmosphere. So what you have learned in this? You have learned that the ozone layer is there. This ozone layer protects us from what? Ultraviolet ray of the sun. That ultraviolet ray comes from the sun. It protects us from ultraviolet ray of the sun. How? By observing them. By observing them, it protects us from ultraviolet ray. And this ultraviolet ray, what does it can? It cause different types of diseases in human being. What are the diseases? What are that diseases? Cancer, eye problems, these different types of diseases it causes. Okay. Next, what you are seeing that the atmosphere protects us from small masses of matter that fall from outer space. Yes, that fall from where? From the outer space. And these masses, what does we call these masses? We call these meteors. Okay, we call these masses what? Meteors. Meteors can cause great damage. It can cause great damage if they hit the earth's surface. If they hit the earth's surface. But what happens there? These meteors entered the earth atmosphere and they get burns. Why? Due to the friction. They get burned due to the friction. Okay, it is clear to you all the importance of the earth atmosphere. So what a great importance of atmosphere is there, you are knowing. So many gases are there and it helps us in many ways. Okay, so today this much. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.